The timing cover off, we can clearly see all the chains and the gears. But I wanted to show you what is notorious on these 3.5s and why they rattle when you start it up, it makes noise. Right here, this little bar, by looking at it, you can see the color difference right here to here. This little guy is supposed to be way up here, and he's actually slid down. And by looking up here, this bar is supposed to be up here against this tensioner, but it fell back, and now there's all that slack in the chain, and that's what's making all that rattle. So we went ahead and got a new kit. We're gonna go ahead and install and replace all the parts from Cloyts. And that part that where I was actually looking at is this guy. It's supposed to press up against that. But of course it slid down. Here we go ahead and put new parts. Start the installation process.